Alright, and welcome back to our tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you that using printf function, we can also pass multiple variables of different data types by just using one printf function. Like literally, if you don't want to write multiple printfs and add the variables there, then you can just declare them using your single printf function. Okay, so let's jump right with our codes. So by the way, remind you once again, all of the source codes are written inside your main function. Right, so let's say for example, given the same functions, let me just erase these, commented out. I want to use one printf, but I want to display all the data of my variables. Let's say for example, the value of a, my char, my float, and my double are. So what we need to do is somehow we just need to call their appropriate placeholders. Alright, so this is %d, right? And then I have called here in the parameter the second parameter, because this is the first parameter of printf, and the second parameter belongs here, the calling of the identifiers of our variables. So this time I have written only the %d, which is for this variable a, right? So since I will be needing the placeholders for the character, float, and double variables, therefore I just need to write them along with this string. Say for example, so the next variable is my char with a data type character, right? So I just need to type here %c and then space %f for float, my float variable, and then %lf, that is for my double. So as what I did earlier, I want float to display only one decimal point. We just need to click period here and then the number 1, and the same goes with the lf. I want it to display with 2 decimal points, for example. So I just need to click here as another one, so 1f and then 1lf on the other side, on the other one. Right, so on the second parameter, instead of writing here the identifier of the integer variable only, we also need to type the identifiers, my char, float, and double. So how to do it? We just need to edit this one here, my char, my float, and my double. So by the way, you need to be very careful with this one, because as for the C and with the code blocks compiler, it will not allow you to add or to put in the next line the next parentheses of your printf function, unlike other compilers. So you just have to be very careful with this. So in this, let's see, let's click build and run. Alright, so as what you can see, we get as an output here the value of a, my character, my float, and my double are, you have the 5, and then which is the data of the a variable declared as integer, and then %sign for the character, and then 5.9 for the my float, and then 1.9 for the my double variables. So that's the main point of this lesson in this video. So wherein you can somehow use even one single printf, and then you are to pass different numbers of placeholders for different variables. Now see you to the next video for the next lesson. Have a nice day.